Alright guys, quick video on how to rewire your light fixture here in your backyard. We have low voltage power here and we tap into it and then the light stands up right here. Anyways, this light has been dead for a while now. We picked up these new connectors and I'm going to show you how these connectors work. So these connectors, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, but you're going to feed it right through here. I should have pliers probably. Let's see if I can do this by hand. And then you just sandwich this thing. Sandwich this thing just like so. And you can see the teeth there bite down on that cord. Once we're here, you see these two terminals here. You can just put one wire there and the other over here. Easy as that. I have already cleaned out the ends here, so we're just going to put one in here, just like so, and then push this down, and then it's going to lock the wire in place. Yeah, I'm not sure if I need pliers, but let's see. Same thing here. I think that should do it. And then reinstall everything.